Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about inheritance. In our last video actually we have talked about class and object, right? So in this video we are going to talk about inheritance. So what is inheritance? If you think about inheritance, think about your parent. You haven't actually buy any car or house, but you can use your parent car, right? This is called actually inheritance. You have nothing, but you can actually use it. So I will actually clear using example. So let me just create a new file. I will say inheritance.py. Now let's say I want to define a class. So class, let's say parent. Okay, parents. And here let's say my parent has car. Okay, car is equal to, let's say, any car name. And let's say your parents have house, let's say home. Okay, just for an example. So you can actually inherit car. Now let's say you have salary. Okay, let's say you have salary 20,000, but you haven't actually buy car and house yet. So you can actually use your parent car and house, and that is the reason actually we need inheritance. So now you can actually inherit your parents. So what you have to do, you just have to mention like this. Now actually you can inherit their car and house. So now let's say I want to create an object. Me is equal to let's say Yamin is equal to you. Okay, and Yamin can actually access car. Now what I have to say here, I have to say print Yamin now can access car. Okay, now you can see Yamin can access car. But I mean, if you don't inherit it, if I run it, you can see there is error. So to access your parent, you have to inherit from them, right? So this is the actually inheritance. Let me explain once again. Your parents have car and house, but you don't have. How you can access them? Through inheritance. No one actually can access them. I cannot access Yamin's parents car and house, right? But Yamin can, because it's Yamin's parents. So yeah, Yamin can do this. This is how inheritance work. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.